Hey Miracle Baby, so I'm back with another video, and this time we're doing a 2-in-1 holiday look. So this one is your simple look with a red popping lip, and then the next one I'm gonna do after this one is gonna be more of a green, festive eye with a more nude lip. I'm gonna be using one palette today, and I'm gonna try to use it for both. So I'm gonna just be using the Jackie Aina palette. And yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you like this video and if you're interested in how I got this look and the next one I'm gonna do after this. Just keep on watching. What's up, guys? This is Sick Brooke from the future, and I apologize in advance if I sound like a man, but I am sick. So we're getting right into it. Taking the Jackie Aina palette and blending the shade Ginger into the crease with a big fluffy brush. And this look is super simple. So it's literally just 2 shades, and this first shade is the only shade you're really going to be blending. So you got to make sure it's extra blended. Yeah, I was watching That's So Raven. I was in the zone. So that was that. But like I said, super blended out that shade, and now we're taking the shade Zam, my second favorite shade in the palette. It's so pretty and glittery and gold, and it's fire. So I'm taking my middle finger. I'm not flicking y'all off. I just was taking my middle finger to pop that on my lids, and I'm blending it out again with the brush I used for Ginger. Cute. Okay, now I'm taking a different brush, and I'm just taking Ginger under my eyes. I went ahead and did my face makeup and everything. I didn't record it because this video would have been too long to do that, so I'll just list it down below if you're interested. And we're just adding mascara, no lashes for this look. Like I said, super simple, super easy. So just apply your favorite mascara on your top and bottom lashes. Sorry, y'all, if I sound like a man or if you heard a train. I'm just trying to get this up before Christmas. Okay, so now we're taking the Emery's X Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter on my cheekbones, my nose, and my nose bridge, and anywhere else you want to highlight. And now for the star of the show, I'm using this liquid lipstick from Juvia's Place. So this is my first time ever using this lipstick, and I don't know what it's called, so I'll list it down below as well. But like, it was super like runny, and I was like nervous to get it like straight, so I was taking my time, like being super careful trying to get it into my lip line and like super neat, because reds will stain, and you will see later like it kind of stained my lips already, and I only had it on for maybe like 30 minutes. So I'm trying to be like extra careful applying it. Super careful. And now I'm taking this brown liner to just line the edges. I didn't want like a super heavy lip line or a thick lip liner, so I just did this to kind of like define my lips and like blend the edges a little better. And I was also very careful with this step as well to not mess up my lip line that I worked so hard for. And I did all that and still had to clean it up. I literally had to use concealer, like whatever's left on my hand, to fix the edges, but that's okay, you know? And this is the first look complete. Cute, sis. Alright, on to the next one. So, this is where I lied and said I was just using the Jackie Aina palette, but I didn't. I went into the crayon case and used the green shade from there, because I really wanted green to be like the focus of this look. So I'm taking that shade on a blending brush and packing it on. Like, I try to keep as much blending in these clips as possible, because I did actually spend a decent amount of time blending this shade on top of the ginger shade I already had on. But I'm packing it literally everywhere. In the crease, the outer crease, the inner crease. I just wanted the green to really pop. And if you don't want to use a green, you don't have to. But, I mean, it's fire, sis. So just use the green. Alright, so once you're done getting that crease in there real nice and good, the green shade I mean, I'm going to take the brush you was using to get ginger, pick up some ginger and like blend the edges so there's no harsh lines and it looks nice and blended and great. So now we're taking my favoriteest shade in the palette, Sponsored. And again, I'm using my middle finger. I'm not saying fuck y'all. I love y'all. But I'm packing that on. Like, I'm packing that shade on to my lids. When I say pack, I mean I went over it like 3 times. Just because I really wanted this to, like, really give me that green shimmer. That green greatness on my lids. And next, I'm taking the shade Dwala's, which is also like a greeny gold. And I'm popping that in the centers of my lids with my pinky finger. So I'm finally stopped using my middle finger. Finally put it down. But yeah, it made it super pretty and glittery and gold, even though I already had Zam on my lids. But super cute. So now it's lash time. These lashes are from the beauty supply store. I have no idea what style, no idea what brand, but just get you some dramatic lashes and slap them things on. I was also thinking, I'm sorry, like I said, I'm sick, y'all, so I'm sorry if I keep saying but if you all would like to see like a how to apply false lashes video, just let me know in the comments and I could do that, because I get asked about that a lot. Alright, so now we're taking a smaller blending brush and taking the green shade under the lash line, connecting it with the top crease, my outer crease of the top. And then we're also going to take some Sponsored, and I put that all across, like taking it from the inner corner all the way to across the green on top just to make it pop. And we're also going to take some of Dwala's, and I just placed that right in the center. So just directly in the center. And then took the same brush with ginger and blended it out. Alright, so now it's time for the lip. This is my usual lip combo. So just take a dark brown liquid lipstick, any liquid lipstick. There's several this color, and line your lips with that. I like using liquid lipsticks for my combo because the main lipstick I use, I like it to mix together and like make it a little darker. So this is just my preferred method. You can use a lip pencil as well. So it's just honestly up to you what you prefer or what your nude lip combo is. And now I'm taking the liquid lipstick, or a liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty in the shade Trendsetter. I love this liquid lipstick. I'm sorry. You should get it if you're a brown girl like me. Now we're adding more highlighter. This is a different highlighter. This is Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter from the drugstore. Fire, sis, you need to get it. Then we're adding blush. Specifically Raisin by MAC blush. I'm obsessed with blush, and if you're a black girl, brown girl. You should definitely wear blush. This is fire. And now we're adding some lip gloss. NYX Butter Gloss and Tiramisu. And we're done with the second look. Yes, sis. Fire. Cute. Period. Alright. And here's the second look. Look number 2. You know, we went with the green glittery, you feel me, gold, sparkly, iridescent eyes, and the new lip with a hint of blush and the gold highlighter. I really tried to use just the Jackiana palette, but I just needed some green, you feel me? Like, I just needed a green color, and the green I have it, so I had to go with my crayon case palette with the green in here. But I did use the 2 shades Sponsored and Dwellas on my lids. But yeah, mostly I'll use the Jackiana palette, and you don't really have to use the green shade. I just love green eyeshadow, so I want to use the green shade, but you don't have to use the green shade. But yeah, guys, this is the look. Yes, I think this one's my favorite. So please comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite. Was it this one, or was it the red lip? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and tell your mama, your brother, your sister, your cousin, everybody to subscribe. Share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, share my channel, because I'm trying to get popping on YouTube. Thank you so much, so much, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks, miracle babies.